my cryptocurrency. They're surprised that I use cryptocurrency. They wanted me to look into some other stuff. I haven't yet, but what I have done is made up my mind that cryptocurrency is not for me. Now, I use eToro, and I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like about eToro. For one, I like the fact that eToro has a litany of different cryptocurrencies that you can look at. And I will go ahead and, oops, sorry, illustrate that. So, here's a list of cryptocurrency. I currently have this one right here because it was going up. But I have not profited off of it. This is I only have 20 bucks on it or $25 on it. There's my equity right there. I've barely gotten to the red. I think I made like 10 cents on it and it went back down. This is how much I have that I can go ahead and bet on something else. But I want to see if it's going to do something. But yesterday, I lost 60 bucks in cryptocurrency. And when I saw that loss, I was like, I'm not going to sit here and just keep losing. Now, the cryptocurrency that I lost money in, I lost some in Bitcoin, but the one that I lost money in was Dogecoin. This one right here, Doji's. And you can see the slump right here. It was even worse. It's starting to come up a little bit, but it has not recovered to where it was yesterday, which means I would have got a little bit back, but definitely taken a major loss. I think it went down like 15%, and I had a couple $100 on it. So, uh, I lost, let's see, I had like 250 on it. I ended up getting like 180 back. So I just went ahead and sold it. And then I went ahead and bought this ADA just to see what was going to do, but I only put like 20 bucks on it, and I have 26 just like left just in case I want to buy something real quick. Now, the reason why there's 26 bucks on there is because it only takes $25 to bid on one of these. So you can't say, I want $10 of Dogecoin. They don't do that. It's 25. Then I look down here, and these you can copy. Ah, shoot. Dogo, you know what? Hold on a second, guys. I'll be right back. Oh, place. I'm gonna put some music on too. Hold a second. Yeah, Dogecoin went down 15%. And then it came up some, but not much more. So yeah, the old Doji is what got me, man. I was all in, and I got into some green. I got into about. Okay. So yesterday on old Doge, I got up to $8, but after that it tanked. I mean, and it tanked hard. Elon Musk Saturday Night Live Doge promotion. Yeah, but I don't know what it did, but it killed Doge. Doge dropped so fast. You say I should have held it? I got pissed off and sold it. Uh, but I still have money to go on it. The price always drops after a big celebrity promo. I didn't know that. Low prices are. Have you looked into the pirate crypto? Never heard of it. But let me go ahead and turn this back around so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So here are all the cryptos. Now the good thing about eToro, another good thing is, if you're looking up a particular crypto, you can look up in here. So I'm gonna pirate. Okay. Oh, that's for people. No, I was looking up by Power Crypto. Sometimes you can look up a particular crypto. Forgot how to do it. Is it here? All currencies, currency cryptos. Yeah. So I think you can go over here and just look up different cryptos. Now, the one thing I don't like is because I wanted to switch and buy an ETF, but you cannot buy an ETF on here. Did not know that because I tried to buy one and they were just like, you can look at it, you can put it on a watch list, but you cannot buy a crypto on here or a an ETF on here. I just got into this about a month or so ago, basically when I got my check like everybody else. And I made videos and saying how I was going to invest and just see what's out there. I am definitely making money in the investment game. So far, well, if I don't count my loss yesterday, that loss yesterday put me, I mean, if we were looking at a break even analysis, it would put me on pretty much in the negative, about maybe negative $10. But no, no, I'd still be, well, wait a minute. No, I'd be up about maybe $5 or $6. So I've made about $80 so far, messing around with just my IRA and a couple other accounts and Acorn. I think I got $10 off of Acorn. I got let's see, I think I got $10 off of Acorn. Um, and I got off my IRA. I did like $36 out of my Robo account. I think I did like 12 off of I have another account on Cash App. So off my Cash App, I've done like 30, another like $36, somewhere around there. So yeah, I'm still in the green. I've made more money than I've lost. This is why I stopped messing with that cryptocurrency because I wasn't making any money on it. And but it's slightly going back up here on old Doji right here. Just right here. Slightly going up, but not enough for me to become a believer again. So yeah. So you guys, I am definitely making money. And I would say on average I'm doing about $50 a week so far. Of course, if you throw more money at it, you have more, of course, opportunity to make more. So when I get some more sales going on, yeah, if it drops off, buy more plated dips. I'm gonna tell you something. I think it's just too volatile for me because I'm a new investor and I the only okay, I have a few aggressive accounts. My Cash App is definitely aggressive. It is ETFs. It's a couple funds, and so it's aggressive. But my Cash App is winning. And when I also went and got some Bitcoin on Cash App, and I think I went into the green maybe 8 cents since I've had it, and I'm like, I don't want to. I'm done. I'm done with the coins for now, because they are very, very unstable. And I was hoping I was hoping to get some stability. Is really what I was hoping. Uh, I was hoping to get into like I was hoping it worked like my IRA. My IRA, I mean, it went up and then it went down and then it's been up ever since. You know, so I was hoping that these cryptos I was gonna get in there like that, but they changed a little too much for me, and I don't like it. It's just not my brand of investing. I can tell that I'm probably going to move actually down into bonds. I went and got some CDs. Well, I have a CD. And I'm probably going to be more conservative. For one, I don't have a lot of money. And two, I really, really, really like my profits. you know, just throw it in there and forget about it. I tried to do that and lost almost $80. So I tried to forget about it, but every little, every I count everything, you guys. I'm that dude. So I did. I tried to forget about it, but it kept going down, and I'm like, oh, I just don't like this. Now, okay, so this is one thing. Now you can go ahead and copy an account, right? And they want you to put $500 in to go ahead and copy this account. So this person is what percentage is up 603.27%. But you got to put in $500 to go ahead and you know do this. And I'm gonna tell you why I don't want to do it. For one, the system is too volatile, and for two, I wanted to withdraw my money. So I wanted my money back, right? And I already did the major price. I wanted to withdraw 180 bucks. But the thing about eToro is you don't get your money back right away. And that bothered me because I like to shift money back and forth like blip, blip, blip. You know what I mean? And I was like, ooh, you guys are going to, what is it going to take me a minute to get my dough? I don't really like that. I like Cash App where you can just buy something, sell it, buy it, sell it. You know what I mean? I like the quick response. I know that it just went into the bank. I digs that a lot, and I actually had to call the bank and let them know, okay, I'm buying stocks, and with my app, yada yada yada. They said, okay, now we know that it's you. So if you guys are going to start doing this, and especially if you use Cash App, they need to know what you're doing. So yes, I've taken some losses, but I am still up, a couple dollars, and I'm gonna get out of crypto. I still got this little 26, 24 bucks going on. I am down point. If you buy 200 Dogecoin at 0.41, $77. Dogecoin reaches 55 a coin. That's if. All right, so let's go back to Dogecoin. Let's go back to the watch list. Look, I understand the ifs. Okay, so according to what you said, if you buy $200 of Doji has 0.41. Doji right now is 0.544. That's it right there. This is the number you're talking about, right? So that's where it's at, 0.544. So you would have to take it from the number where it's at, and it's going up 31, 32, 25. I think it's actually going to go up because it dipped so hard. Telcoin is the best buy. Doge has no utility. So it's not being used. Okay. Just as an example of the big profit and small risk. No, 100%. Thank you. Okay, so you said Telcoin. Telcoin's not on here. So it's not listed, but you can, let's see, you can go in here and I forgot where you can add a, well, I'm not a master at this, but you can add something that you want to look at. I'll watch this, recent watches, create a new list. Wonder if this will cancel. Create new list. No, I don't want to create a new list. But yeah, so I'll check into that Telcoin, huh? I'll look that up. Uh, I thought I could. Yeah. So okay, you buy the dips. Uh, are you up? I mean, I don't need to know how much you're up, but are you up? You know what I'm saying? Because I was up yesterday. I was up $8 yesterday on Doge. And then it, boom. You know what I'm saying? I was up yesterday. I was up today a little bit. I'm up, bought in at 13. Okay. You're probably way up then. I mean, if you bought in at point one, oh, well, sweet Christmas. No wonder why you're, yeah, you're up. You're definitely up. But you just lost a lot of money too. You're up, but you just lost a boatload of dough. And you can't tell me you haven't. You just lost a bunch of money. I mean, I feel you. You're like, I'm still up. So, I understand why you're going to, still stay. I get it. Because you're still in the positive. But, whoo, 15%, 15% of whatever you had just disappeared. I'm like, whoo, man. So, okay, so you can also invest here. Now, I was interested in this for about 5 seconds until I saw this number. They want you to put in $1,000. I have $1,000, but I don't trust Bitcoin enough to invest 1,000. I don't have $1,000 to say, okay, let's try Bitcoin with $1,000. I would have to, I would have to have made money from Bitcoin. I would have to made $1,000 from Bitcoin to put on $1,000 for Bitcoin. Like I'm not gonna take my hard-earned, backbreaking money and then put it on $1,000 in Bitcoin. I would have to already have made it at some point, you know, because I've already tried with 250, and I'm just not interested. Once I saw that loss, I'm like, 250 is a good hit for me. I didn't lose it all though. I lost about $64 of it. But I can imagine though. I mean, all these are starting to turn green again. I can imagine if you had an investment account right now, a whole grand on it. I'd probably say that it's gonna. I mean, everything's turning green. Yeah, I would say that there's some good money to be made right now. If somebody wanted to take $1,000 risk, but I still don't like the fact that I couldn't get my money when I wanted it. I want my money right now. I don't want to wait until you know you have to view it and all this other. No, give me my money. So, at any rate, I just wanted to talk about crypto real quick and my disappointment of losing some money. Uh, but I'm still making money off the stock market so far. I'm not. I'm not down and out. I'm still in the green. Haven't lost my shirt, and The stock market is definitely worth it. And I'm glad these apps came out to make it a little easier. Uh, Although I don't put all my money in the apps. That's another thing. After I saw what happened with Robinhood, I I am not putting all my money in the apps. Like I'm not doing that. I have Weeble, but I don't use it. I don't have Robinhood. I have Acorn and Cash App. You use Cash App for a lot of things, but after I saw what happened, man, I'm like, no, I'm not putting a whole bunch of money on here. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. Bye.